Morning children, today we start online class for class 6. In previous class we have discussed Roman number 1 in exercise 1.1. Right now we are dealing Roman number 2 from exercise 1.1. Before the start of the class, I want to say one thing, copy the notes. Right now what I am saying and the previous class should be written in the 200 pages white notebook. Okay, 200 pages white notebook should. In that we have to copy Roman number 1 and Roman number 2 and whatever it may be, what I am going to say, you copy the notes entirely and throughout the classes. Okay, thank you children. Right now we are dealing Roman number 2. Write the numbers in ascending order. You know what is ascending order? Okay, the numbers that starts from small and ends up to big, means small to big is considered as ascending order. Okay, we'll see the first problem, that is there are given 4 sets of numbers. Okay, they given 4 sets of numbers. How to identify the ascending order, means small to big numbers? We'll see. First of all, we have to know the digits. Understand children? We have to know the digits. For suppose you take this number, it consists of 4 digits, 9, 3, 4 and 7. Next 1, 9, 0, 3, 4, 5 means it contains 5 digits. Here itself it contains again 5 digits and this number also contains 5 digits. Then you can obviously say this is the smallest number, means it contains only 4 digits. So you can write it 9347 is the smallest digit. Then coming to the 3 numbers. Okay, these all the 3 numbers contain 5 digits. Then how can you identify which is the smallest and which is biggest? Right now you have to know the place value system. Understand? See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. And again ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Same here it's also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Right now look at this. Okay, we have to start from the left side. Understand? That is the biggest value, 10,000. In the place of 10,000 we have the value 1. Okay, here 2. Here we have 1. Okay, we have to regard, means we have to decide that the smallest number is 1. So we will see this number and this number, because this is biggest number, no? In the place of 10,000s 1 and here 1 we have, but here we have the value 2. So first of all we will see this one and this one. Understand children? Right now see, again we have to know what is in the place of thousands. Here we have 9 and in the place of thousands we have 2, means this is the smallest number, because in the place of 10,000 1 is there and here also 1 is there, but in the place of thousands this is the smallest value when compared to the 9. Then we have to write this 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, that is 12,300. Next we'll see this one. Obviously this is the next number. Understand? 1, 9, 0, 3, 5. Then this is the biggest number. You already know it, 22,570. Okay, ascending order. We got the value from smallest value to biggest value. You do the next sum. Understand children? First of all you have to know the digits of the number which it contains. Later on you should also identify the different digits place value system. Like seeing that in the place value system of 10,000 we have 1. Like that you have to identify each and every number. Understand children? See, we'll see next descending order. Children, right now we will see the descending order. Write the numbers in descending order. What is descending? In previous we discussed what is ascending. Ascending means from small to big itself. But coming to the descending, what is descending? Big to small numbers. Okay, we will identify and we will write. See, look at the terms. They are given 4 terms, 4 numbers. Okay, from big to small. We can identify here there are one 4-digit number and there are 3 5-digit number. By counting we can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the 4-digit number. So it is absolutely small. But coming to the next 3 numbers, identify in each of its, it contains 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how can we identify which is the biggest and which is the smallest? By knowing again the place value system. See, here in the place of 10,000 we have 8, and here itself again we have in the place value of 10,000 again the value is 8. Okay, we will see 10,000 and 10,000. Next term 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, see, in the place of 10,000 we have value 8, and here also same. And in the place of thousands we have the value 9 again. Here also we have the value 9. And in the place of hundreds we have 7. But here in the place of hundreds we have 2. Then this is the biggest number. Understand? Then we have to write from this, we have to start from this number. That is 89,715. Next, absolutely after this number, this is the number, because this is the biggest number. After this is the biggest number. So we have to write this number. Again, 89,254. Right now, we left the one more 5-digit number. We can say absolutely because in the place of 10,000, 8. This is smaller. When compared to 8, this is smaller. Understand? Then we have to write this number. That is 45,321. So this is the 4-digit number we identified at the starting only. So we can write this number 1876. Understand, children? Descending means that starts from the biggest number and ends with the smallest number. You try this, children. Write in your homework, or record all the notes in the classwork. Okay, children. Right now we'll see 4th Roman. That is, put appropriate symbol. Okay, they given to put the given numbers. First of all, we have to utilize these symbols. Means by using these symbols, we have to indicate which number is biggest and which number is smallest. Understand? These are the symbols. That is, this is the greatest symbol. Understand? This is the greater symbol, and this is lesser symbol. That is less than symbol. Okay, understand, children? Right now we have the 3 numbers. First one we see 3854, and here we have 15200. By looking these 2 numbers, we can say which is biggest. In another procedure, we can say by counting the digits. By counting the digits also we can say which is biggest and which is smallest. Here the number contains 4 digits. But coming to here, the number contains 5 digits. So absolutely this is the biggest number. Okay, we can say by using the greater than symbol, we have to indicate. Understand, children? That is this. Understand? This means 3854. That is 3854 is smaller than 15,200. You got the, children? Because always this sign represents the biggest value. You know alligator. By looking at the alligator always wants to eat bigger numbers. Understand? This always wants to eat bigger numbers. So this point says this is the smallest number. Okay, 3854 is smaller than 15200. That is nothing but 15,200. Next one we will see that here we have 5-digit numbers, and here too we have 5-digit numbers. Then how can we identify? Same, by taking the place value system, we can identify ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. See, here in the place of 10,000s we have 9, and here too we have 9 10,000s. But coming to the thousands, we have here 9, here too we have 9. Okay, in the place of hundreds we have 4. In the place of hundreds we have again 4. Then in the place of tens we have 5. Here in the place of tens we have 4. we got the value, because in the place of tens it is indicating 5, but in the place of tens here we have the value only 4. This is the biggest number. So always this symbol, the symbol denotes is like this. Understand? 9945 is greater than 99445. Understand, children? 99,454 is greater than 99,445. Understand? Next, again we will see here also we have 5-digit numbers in each. Again we have to see the place value system: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. See, in the place of 10,000s we have 1, here too we have 1, and in the place of thousands we have 4, here too we have 4, and in the place of hundreds we have 5, and here we have the value 4 in the place of hundreds. This is the biggest number, so we have to use the symbol like this. Understand? 14,500 is greater than 14,499. Okay, this symbol represents to the greatest numbers. Understand? See, in the first sentence or first example, we have denoted the like this symbol to the biggest number. Then this point says that 3854 is smaller than 15,200. In every sum, we have to take the values from the left side. Understand? From the left only we have to do it. Understand, children? 3854 is less than 15,200. 99,454 is greater than 99,445. 14,500 is greater than 14,499. Like this we have to do it, children. Thank you, children.